Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another NUVÈLUXX Raw unboxing. Now, if you are not familiar with NUVÈLUXX Raw, I am a brand ambassador for this business. I did a video before, so I will link that video down below in the description box as well as in the cards. But my girl, she sells lashes, hair, all of that good stuff. So she sent me some new items, and I'm here to show you guys what she sent me. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so this is what everything came in, and of course she had the tape NUVÈLUXX Raw. So I blanked out everything so you guys won't see, but I wanted to show you guys the box that it comes in. So of course, everything was wrapped up in this black tissue paper. So if you are not familiar, these are like her business cards pretty much. So it says NUVÈLUXX Raw Hair Extensions and Meka Lashes by Kiana. Then on the back it has the website link, the Instagram, Facebook, and email address, and she does reside in Austin, Texas. So of course, make sure you guys check the description box below where I will have a list of all the items that she sent me. But this is the new, I believe this is the new Lash Cleaner. So it's real, this packaging is really cute. It's in this white bottle, then it has eyes with lashes, then it says bath. So it's pretty much to clean your lashes. I have seen her demonstrate using this, so this should be interesting to use. Next, she sent me some Lash Glue Extreme Hold Waterproof and Humidity Resistant. So this is how the glue looks. It's so bright in here. Next, she sent me the Lash Glue Remover. So it's an oil. Her packaging is really cute. I love it. So I'm not too sure what these are, but it has to do with the eyes. So let's see. So this is some type of oil. I'll check the website and of course let you guys know. But some type of oil, I believe, that probably goes either on your lashes or eyebrows. And then here is a brush. And what is this? This is liner. Yep. This is eyeliner. So this is how the packaging looks for the eyeliner. So next, this is one of those lash glue pens, I believe. Is it? Yes. I think this is one of these lash glue pens. I'll confirm in the description box. But this is super cute. It's all bedazzled out and stuff. So really cute. And then of course she sent me some lashes. So these lashes came in this box. And these are called Meka. Can't wait to wear these. So once again, I am a brand ambassador for NUVÈLUXX Raw, and I do have a code for you guys, which is thelindsaye. So I will pin it down below in the comments, and it'll be in the description box for you guys to use. So make sure you guys use that code to receive some coins off. I want to thank my girl Kiana for sending me these goodies. I absolutely love when she sends me goodies. And if y'all are not following NUVÈLUXX Raw on Instagram, you need to. Y'all will see me on there a lot because I do nothing but support my girl, and I absolutely love her lashes. So I will leave the link to the Instagram and all that stuff down below in the description box as well. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, of course, and share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.